Welcome back to the channel. I thought it was time to bring back one of those old restoration videos. Today we have this Turbo Mustang, that's how it was called back in the days. White version. Taking a closer look here. This one is made in Malaysia. There's also a version made in Hong Kong. So let's get a closer look. All right, so let's take a closer look at these tempos. That way I could get them correct. Got the 31 here, Mustang GT. On the side we have the AC logo, STP, Mustang again, Goodyear logo without the sneaker in between the word wood, good, and year. 31 again. And I had to search online for a good quality of these cars because a lot of them, even in the blister, this logo is barely readable. But I found one and it says Simpson. I think it's from Simpson Race Products. I'll leave you a screenshot right there on the screen. Here you have a checker flag. Notice how the yellow here stops here. Yellow checker flag goes all the way down. This what looks like a black line seems to be part of the windshield and taillights. Got the black vent here. You can see the taillights are also, part of this whole thing. Same deal on the other side. Checker flag stops right here. Yellow. This bottom part, of course, is part of the base. So painted yellow. So I only need to do this top part of the water slide, the hood, the roof, and possibly that vent because I don't want to paint it. It's going to be kind of a problem. I'd rather do it a water slide. So like I mentioned already, this is a Malaysia, also available in a Hong Kong version. I'm going to try to restore the wheels, the windshield. Only one post on this one, hooks on the back. So let's get this bad boy open. So after the paint remover, we take a closer look. All these edges have to be fixed. It's not that bad in the back. Not that bad in the front either. Here is the base. I still have to remove a little bit more paint. You can see this back. Gotta smooth that out. Here on the side, we have some rough edges. And here in the front, it's pretty chewed up. This is all very difficult to see with the plain sight, but I already know that it's here. Here is the other side. Let's clean it up, see how it ends up. I'll tell you what, I need to go out and buy new glasses. Had to redo the door. It was invisible. And this is as good as it's gonna get. On this side, it didn't even have the door line. And because this is not gonna be Spectra Flame paint, so that's pretty good right here. I didn't notice this is kind of bent, so I have to try and make it straight before I paint it. Let me try that and I'll be back. Much better. I think it might need another push. Yeah, I think that's good enough. I think that's good enough. So off to paint we go. Alright, so here is the base. Nice and fresh painted. Tamiya TS97 Pearl Yellow. That's the yellow I got. It looks pretty similar. You put that to the side. And for the main body, I use Vallejo. That's the number 28010. Flat white. It works perfect all the time. So here's the water slide. Let me cut it up and get it installed. And I'll be back. Oh, you don't know how difficult this is for me. I can't see crap. A little bit more micro sol. Make sure that film melts into the door lines. Now hit it again with some hot air. Yep. I think this qualifies for better than the original. What do you think? See how Microsoft melts it so it you can see the details of the body. So now I just gotta let this sit or bake it. All right, so before I show you the final product, take a look at this one. Look at that. Look at that. Broken blister. Take a wild guess how much this one is going for. $107. What are we doing over here? All right, that's good enough. All right, so before I show you the final product, how about we do it like the old days and show you the before, and now show you the finished product. Check it out. Isn't that something? I still have to sand the wheels a little bit more. As you can see, I sanded them. It's running pretty flat to the ground right now. The axle was very crooked, but I wanted to run smooth so it could go down the track. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button. Peace out.